Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Nova 12i, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. So to get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip. Straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out a tray, which is located at the bottom of the device. You'll see this cutout. Placing your little tool, you want to push it in. And you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to grab it and pull it out. Now on the tray, you have space for two different SIM cards, so one on either side. Placing the card on the tray, you can then insert it back into your device. And the card should start working right away, though there's a caveat. As you can see, it just changed the language for no effing reason. This is the stupidity of Huawei devices. It's just how they're made. There is no setting for this. So now to kind of help you fix this, because I understand that some people, unlike Huawei, which can't get their head around this, might live in a country where they don't speak the language of it. So for those people, which is completely fine, I'll show you how you can change the language from the dogshit language that it just changed it for you without your permission. So you want to open up settings, and you can do so by just finding this kind of gear icon. It's also usually at the bottom somewhere. And you want to go all the way down to the second last option, which is System and Update. So the blue gear icon here. Then a fourth option from the top, so you have, or third option, sorry. So you have 1, 2, and 3. And here at the very top, you'll find Language and Region. And the blue text right here is the option to add a language. And obviously from the list, you want to find your desired language. So for me, it's English. Then it brings up the question if you want to change the device's language right now. So you can click on the right side, change. And there we go. We're back to English, which was the default language that I have selected. But for some reason, Huawei just disregards that and completely gets rid of it. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful. And if you did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.